Hello everyone. Today in this video we are going to learn about Stripe Connect feature app in the multi-vendor marketplace. This feature app allows you to automate the process of paying your seller in the multi-vendor app on real-time basis. So basically when a customer places an order and pay for that order, so the amount will go to the respective seller and admin directly on the basis of the configure commission by the admin. Before we move ahead, please remember these points. Both seller and admin needs to have Stripe account on this app. Secondly, the auto split would be done when the amount is paid through the custom payment method that you need to create from the Shopify backend. So kindly go to Shopify and click on settings. Here in payments, in the manual payment methods, you will find an option to create custom payment method. When you click on this, you will find to add the custom payment method name. Let's suppose it is Stripe Connect. And you can add additional details as well as payment instruction as well if you need. And when you click on this activate, you will be simply able to add this custom payment method in your Shopify store. Then you need to add this in the Stripe integration that you will learn ahead in this video. Now let's see how we can install it on your multi-vendor application. So firstly we need to go on feature app section and in the marketplace add-on you will find this Stripe Connect feature app. Here as you can see, it will cost you $10 per month extra on your ongoing multi-vendor subscription. So when you enable this, they will ask you to agree to pay that amount, and then when you enable it, you will find this as currently active status as you can see over here. Once you enable this, then you can go on the orders and you will find the checkout payment method in which you will find the Stripe Connect configuration. So when you click on this, you will able to see all the configuration related to Stripe Connect which you can configure as per your need. For example, if you want to restrict your seller to view order if a customer doesn't pay for the order, so you can enable this. If you want to auto cancel the order in case of not paid order, you can give them a time to pay and you can auto cancel as well. So for that you can enable this. You can choose the payment method whether it's card or IDL. You can add the country ISO code, like for United States you can add US, for India you can add IN. You can add the descriptions as well as the processing fees method. Also you can also choose whether who will bear the Stripe fees. In the Stripe payment name, we just need to add the custom payment method that we have created earlier in this video from the Shopify end. We just need to go there, copy this name and paste it over here. We make sure that the custom method name that we are created and the Stripe payment name are similar. You can choose the Stripe account type based on if you are using standard, you can choose this. If you are using express, you can choose this. Right now I am choosing the standard, that's why I choose this. And that's the sandbox environment. So basically this will help you set up a test account on your multi-vendor application so that you can check if everything is working fine and every integration is working properly. Then you can just simply disable it to make it live. So whenever you disable it, you need to update the production publish key and production secret key and production client key on the live basis. So right now as I have enabled this, so I will use the test mode credentials. So let me tell you how you will get this publish key, secret key or client ID. So for this you need to log into your Stripe Dash account. As you can see, I've already logged into one of my Stripe account, and here when I click on developers, I will get a side view API keys, and when I select this, I will find the publishable key and the secret key, which I need to copy and paste over here. Similarly, I need to copy and paste the secret key as well. Similarly, you can add the secret key as well. Just copy and paste it over here. Then for the client ID, you need to go on the settings. In setting, in the connect section, again click on settings. Here you will find the integration part. Here you will get the client test mode client ID. As right now I need the test mode data, which is why I have enabled this viewing test data, and I have enabled for developers as well for test mode. If I disable this, I will get the live credentials that you can use when you want to make the payment on live basis, on real time basis. So basically it allows you to check the app or test the app and then make it on the live basis. So basically when you need the data of live mode, you can just simply disable it and you will find the live mode client ID, as you can see here. So right now I need it for test, so I have enabled this, and I just simply copy and paste it over here. Also, kindly check if you have enabled both of these authorization, because most of the cases we need these. Then we go on the redirect. Here we need to add a URI to finally integrate this application with the Stripe account. So here you need to add the URI, which you will find in instructions. So when you go on the instructions, here you will find the redirect URI. You just need to copy it and paste it over here and add the URI. So this will link your Stripe account with the multi-vendor application. Also, you need to add these code in the given file in your Shopify store to show the Stripe Connect functionality on your front end. If you need any help to add these code, you can always contact us at support@webpool.com. So once you save these settings, then your seller would be able to add their Stripe account as well from their seller panel. So how they will do it, let me just show you. When they go on the orders, they will find an option for Stripe Connect configuration, and when they click on it, they will find the option to add account to Stripe. So basically they just need to click on this, and they will have to provide the basic information of this Stripe account, and they will able to integrate their Stripe account to the multi-vendor application. So when both of you add your Stripe account on the multi-vendor application, then the payment will be automated on real-time basis, and as I told you on the starting of the video, the amount that is paid by your customer would be auto splitted between you and the seller as per the commission which is configured by the admin. So that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. In case you need any help, you can always reach out to us at support@webpool.com. Thank you.